Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a unique and eco-friendly gift idea that's perfect for any plant enthusiast or nature lover out there. It's the Botanical Hippie Avocado Growing Bashan ingenious way to grow your very own avocado tree from a seed, right at home. This avocado growing kit isn't just a simple vase. It's a gateway to witnessing the magic of plant growth firsthand.
Made from durable borosilicate glass with a stainless steel holder, it's designed to be both functional and elegant, suitable for any office desk or home environment. What makes this kit special is its simplicity. Instead of discarding your avocado seeds, you can now repurpose them with ease. Simply rinse your seed, place it in the holder, and add water. Change the water every few weeks, and soon enough, you'll see the seed germinate and sprout into a lovely avocado tree. Now, why do we consider this the best live plant gift? It's not just about the end result, a beautiful avocado tree, it's about the experience. This kit encourages hands-on learning about plant growth, making it an excellent educational tool for kids and adults alike. Whether it's for Christmas, birthdays, housewarmings, or Mother's Day, this kit comes in a decorative box, ready to delight any recipient. It's a thoughtful gift that promotes sustainability and appreciation for nature. Users have reported that the process is not only fun but also quite rewarding. While some seeds may take a bit longer to sprout, the kit guarantees success with a little patience and care. It's an ideal size for any space, allowing you to watch your plant grow day by day. To wrap it up, the Botanical Hippie Avocado Growing Vase isn't just about growing plants. It's about fostering a deeper connection with nature. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this kit makes plant propagation accessible and enjoyable. If you're looking for a meaningful gift that keeps on giving, check out the link in the description below to get your own Botanical Hippie Avocado Growing Vase today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on innovative products like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy planting!